Chapter 6 Mother Teresa Learning Objectives 1. Birbal is the most intelligent courtier. 2. Comprehending that wisdom wins over anything. Warm up. Outline the picture given below and color it well. Also, write few lines about the leader and her contribution for the society. Mother Teresa was a great leader who was born on August 26, 1910. Her childhood name was Agnes Gonya Boyache. She came to Kolkata on January 6, 1929. When she was just 19 years old, her focus in life was to provide help to the sick and needy. She devoted her entire life to serve humanity. Even at night, she used to visit the dark and dirty streets of Kolkata to provide food and shelter to the needy people. She had only rupees 5 when she came to Kolkata, West Bengal, and a priest helped her. The living saint was loved by everyone in the country as she had love for everyone. She was a person who was eager to look and give love to poor and needy. She was a role model for so many people. She inspired us to be good and be humble to everyone. She lived in a very small room for at least 9 years and looked after sick people. She gave her best to the people and brought them back to health. Her efforts were full of compassion, dignity, and sympathy. After that, she started various institutions named as Nirmal Hriday and Shishu Bhavan for special children. Mother Teresa was a hardworking and motivated person with the drive to connect with the world. Through her compassion, Mother Teresa was able to save the lives of many poor and needy people in the world. Heroes are compassionate and care about others, and since Mother Teresa showed compassion through caring of the poor, she exhibits the necessary qualities of a hero. Mother Teresa was a recipient of the Nobel Prize in the year 1979, the Bharat Ratna in the year 1980, and the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Peace in the year 1972. Despite all the public praise and acclaim, Mother Teresa endured humbleness throughout the end. Everyone across the world loved her so much. She had given the title the Florence Nightingale of India. She succumbed to death on September 5, 1997. Mother Teresa has inspired us all. We must each strive to be the best at what we are gifted at, and that is making something beautiful for God. The greatest poverty is being unloved, which both the materially rich and poor experience. She believed that everyone deserved to be loved. Find meaning. Focus, aim, devoted, dedicated, compassion, understanding for somebody who is suffering. Dignity, the quality of being serious and formal. Succumbed, passed away. Humanity, the quality of being kind. Sympathy, feelings of support and agreement. Art integration. Mother Teresa, in all aspects of her life, was a generous dispenser of divine mercy, making herself available for everyone through her welcome and defense of human life, those unborn and those abandoned and discarded. Keeping this in mind, find out 5 quotes said by Mother Teresa and make them beautifully on a chart paper. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Many of us dreamed of changing the world, but only a very few chose to act on it, and fewer still did it as bravely as this humble woman from Kolkata. Have you ever visited an orphanage or an old age home? If so, share your experience with your class. She set up soup kitchens, a leper colony, orphanages, and a home for the dying destitute. Cross-curricular connect, learning by doing. Visit the elderly. Visit the house where elderly people live. Show the act of kindness and humbleness you would share with them. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Imagine you're the talk show host and you have to interview Mother Teresa. What questions would you ask? Think carefully about what sort of answers you want. What would interest your audience? Logical thinking. For instance, you're at a restaurant and you've asked the waiter to pack food for your family members. Now, while going back home, you encounter a very hungry boy who is asking for food. You have to make a decision. What would you do? Write short answers for the following questions. A. For how many years did Mother Teresa live in a small room? Answer. She lived in a very small room for at least 9 years. B. What was Mother Teresa's childhood name? Answer. Mother Teresa's childhood name was Agnes Gonya Boyachi. C. When did she come to Kolkata? Answer. She came to Kolkata on January 6, 1929. Write long answers for the following questions. A. List the things which make Mother Teresa a very humble woman. Answer. Despite all the public praise and acclaim, Mother Teresa endured humbleness throughout the end. Everyone across the world loved her so much. She had given the title the Florence Nightingale of India. B. Mention the awards and prizes given to Mother Teresa. Answer. Mother Teresa was recipient of Nobel Prize in the year 1979, the Bharat Ratna in the year 1980, and the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Peace in the year 1972. C. For whom did Mother Teresa start the institutions? Name them. Answer. Mother Teresa's efforts were full of compassion, dignity and sympathy. After that, she started various institutions named Nirmal Hriday and Shishu Bhavan for special children. Find out the meanings of the following words. A. Succumbed. Temptation. Humanity. Human values. Dignity. Respect. Take the correct option. A. Mother Teresa lived in a dash room for 9 years. 1 big, 2 small, 3 dirty. 2 small. B. She has been given the title of the Florence Nightingale of 1 Australia, 2 Indonesia, 3 India. 3 India. C. She worked to serve dash. 1 food, 2 humanity, 3 everyone. 2 humanity. D. Mother Teresa was just dash years old when she came to Kolkata. 1 15, 2 25, 3 19. 3 19. E. She had only rupees dash when she came to Kolkata. 1 100, 2 5, 3 19. 2 5. Match the following. Column A. A. Mother Teresa's birth date. B. Demise of Mother Teresa. C. Move to Kolkata. D. Nirmal Hriday. Column B. 1. For special children. 2. When she was 19 years old. 3. August 26, 1910. 4. September 5, 1997. Answer. Mother Teresa's birth date is August 26, 1910. Demise of Mother Teresa, September 5, 1997. Moved to Kolkata when she was 19 years old. Nirmal Hriday for special children. Conceptual understanding. Find the words given in a clue box from the grid. Clue box: Saint, Mother, Sick, Holy, Charity, Teresa, Poor. Communication, writing skills. Write a letter to your friend describing Mother Teresa. Write about A. How did you come to know about her? B. What awards did she get? C. What did you learn from her? D. How did you feel about her life? Reading skills. Read the quote said by Mother Teresa given below. Read it carefully and express it creatively in your own words. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let us begin. Listening and speaking skills. Work in pairs. Your partner will tell a quote by Mother Teresa and you will tell the meaning of the same. You can take such quotes. A. Peace begins with a smile. B. It's not how much we give but how much love we put into giving. C. A life not lived for others is not a life. Let's learn spellings. The following letters are jumbled. Unjumble it to make a word. A. Y. T. D. I. G. I. N. Dignity. B. L. E. A. T. H. H. Health. C. R. E. L. A. D. E. Leader. Let's learn grammar. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the brackets to form the correct past tense. A. Mother Teresa found the missionaries of charity. Mother Teresa found the missionaries of charity. B. She born B on August 26, 1910. She was born on August 26, 1910. C. She brings sick people back to health. She brought sick people back to health. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. We use some words to join words or sentences. Such words are called conjunctions. We use different words depending on the items we want to join. We use and to join similar terms, but to join two opposing terms, and so to show that one item is the reason for the other. A. Mother Teresa born in Agne but worked in India until she died. B. She survived on minimal income and food, often having to beg for funds, but slowly her efforts with the poorest were appreciated by the local community. C. She was loved by everyone and so. Vocabulary time. Add the suitable prefix to make the opposite of the given word. A. Able, disable. B. Possible, impossible. C. Secure, insecure. Prefixes are letters that we add to the beginning of a word to make a new word with a different meaning. Prefixes can, for example, create a new word opposite in meaning to the word the prefix is attached to. Add the appropriate punctuation marks in the following sentences. A. Mother Teresa said if you can't feed 100 people, feed just one. B. Today I learned a good lesson. C. What a humble lady she was. Project. Create a fact file on Mother Teresa, including her early life education and her charitable life. On an A4 size sheet, write fact file at the top and stick pictures of Mother Teresa, young and old. Life skills. Your friend has lost her puppy. How would you feel if you were in the same situation? Write down few points to discuss with your friends.